Short sales. Keys to negotiating short sales. Welcome to another DMV Real Estate Secrets information-packed episode. This episode covers the exciting topic of short sales. Keys to negotiating short sales. Featuring Lloyd and Vicki Irvin and their Millionaire Power team members. One more thing. Please be sure you request Lloyd and Vicki Irvin's new free CD entitled Recession Riches Exposed. How to build wealth in real estate during the recession without using your own cash and regardless of your credit. Once again, the CD is 100% free. You don't have to pay a single dime. Lloyd and Vicki are even paying the shipping and handling. You'll also receive their weekly Recession Riches Exposed email tips and strategies to help explode your income. You can get their amazing free CD at their website, www.dmvrealestatesecrets.com. And no matter what you do, make sure you register to attend Lloyd and Vicki's next free seminar, where they'll reveal to you their 9-step cash-sucking money-making system, the top 2 exit strategies that are working in the DMV right now and how you can profit from them, and the number 1 strategy to build wealth in real estate and how you can do it. You'll also discover the 4 basic keys to success. These specific principles and keys will help you unlock the secrets of success in real estate investing and propel you further than where you think you can go. They'll also teach you live their world-famous wealth creation effect formula. This one formula has the power to change your life. And you'll learn so much more at their free seminar. Register today. And now, get something to write with because you'll want to take notes on short sales. Keys to negotiating short sales. Let's begin.
Hey everybody, Vicki Irvin here, the Real Estate Investment Queen. I am back with the Short Sale King, Maury Laneshaw. This time, Maury's going to reveal 3 of his strategies when it comes to negotiating a short sale with the bank. Now, make sure you have a pen and some paper because he's giving away some valuable information that most people who process short sales do not have a clue about. So let's go ahead and get started. Maury, what can you share?
This was a tough one, Vicki, because this is you might as well, I don't know what you're trying to pull here, but with negotiating with the bank, first of all, how to structure the purchase agreement. Because if you do things the wrong way, your file is going to sit on somebody's desk for months. Even if, no matter what the offer is, because a lot of real estate agents, even loss mitigators at the banks, and this is a low ball offer or it's too low, there's no offer that's too low. Okay. You just have to structure it properly and make it part of the perfect package. Okay. And that way it gets looked at. That's one. Okay. Second is I really don't want to share this, but HUD, the HUD. The HUD itself, how to structure the HUD is crucial. Many people just let a title company do it, or they try to wing it and put a purchase price because the bank said, hey, send me the purchase agreement of the HUD, and the bank has dictated to them what to send in, which is wrong to begin with. That's another topic, though. You send in a very detailed HUD along with some things that's going to pad your pocket within the HUD. I'm going to stop right there.
I know, because you just feel like
you're
giving out too much of your valuable information.
I'm serious.
I understand.
That part right there is too important just to give away. But I'm trying to help as many people as possible by sharing this stuff.
Right. They'll learn more when they come to the free seminar and they affiliate with Lloyd and I. Good. But you're right. Even when we do the short sale trainings, people are amazed because we always get people who've been processing short sales, but then they get in class with us and they're like, wow. I didn't know that.
Just had that about 3 weeks ago. The young lady spent the entire day with me because she didn't come to the retreat, but she paid for it, came out, and when she left our one-on-one, blown away.
And she was a short sale specialist already. She's certified.
She's certified short sale. They have this bogus designation, not bogus, I'm sorry, CDRS, that loss mitigators, they tell me, that when they see that designation behind their name, the loss mitigators at the banks laugh at people who have that designation. But she had this designation and she was a short sale expert, but when she left me,
she realized what she didn't know.
She
I bet she was
thanked
happy.
me
I bet
profusely.
She did. I bet she did.
So it was a good session.
But this is good. This is the type of information that we like to give out. And let me back up a bit. You know, I kind of want to validate your credentials here. I've lost track of the number. Approximately how many short sales have you processed in the last, 2-year period?
2 years, I'm up to 86.
Okay, so we're not talking about somebody who's just out there doing a couple of short sales. Maury, my student, came to me knowing nothing. He was a realtor, came in class thinking he knew everything, and look at him now. I'm so proud, and you've helped so many people, which is a great thing. And he's got more to share, so guess what? You better stay tuned.
Congratulations on your wise decision to watch this episode on short sales, keys to negotiating short sales. Please make sure you watch all of the other episodes covering different real estate investing money-making topics to take maximum advantage of this free education by Lloyd and Vicki Irvin for the entire D.C., Maryland, and Virginia area. By the way, if you have not requested to get their free CD and registered to attend the next free real estate seminar, do it right now. It's easy to register, and it's easy to get the free CD at www.dmvrealestatesecrets.com. And remember, Lloyd and Vicki will even pay for the shipping and handling, so you don't have to pay a single dime. So be sure to claim your free CD today. Now go watch the next DMV Real Estate Secrets episode so you can get an education of a lifetime. www.dmvrealestatesecrets.com.